Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure you already shared live location in that chat. Open WhatsApp, go to the conversation, and look for the live location card at the top of the chat. This confirms active sharing. If you don't see it, verify app updates and that WhatsApp has location permission enabled. Once you've located the live location card, tap it to open the live location view so you can access the controls to stop sharing immediately. When the live location map opens, focus on the controls. There's a clear stop sharing or end option. Tap it. You'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you want to stop sharing with that chat or group. Confirm to end transmission. Make sure to wait for the app to acknowledge the change. You'll see the live location card disappear or change to a static message. If you shared in multiple chats, repeat this process in each conversation where live location was enabled. After stopping, verify by returning to the chat. The live location card should be gone or clearly marked as stopped. If updates still appear, force close and reopen WhatsApp or restart your phone to refresh background services. This usually resolves lingering broadcasts. As a last resort, temporarily revoke WhatsApp's location permission in system settings and then re-enable it. This forces a disconnect. If problems persist, update the app or contact WhatsApp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.